This is a Mercedes 2020 L CLA 250. Now we are going to disassemble this trim. So this trim, the first thing that I got to do is to search for the screws. This one doesn't have any screw. You can see here is none. So I'm going to proceed and use my O-ring remover, the straight. Then I'm going to put it inside this trim, and I'm going to push up. Hard, but steady. All right. Now, as I go up, you want to twist it like this. All the trims, you got to twist it like this all the time. Because if you do it like this, it's really hard to get it off. Or mostly will not get off. Now, in order to get this trim out, I gotta get this cap off. So this cap, it is a little tricky because it's got one clip in the middle. So I have to get access from here and try to pray and do it. I'm going to try it from inside. So I'm going to disassemble the interior of the door panel. So now for this door panel or any door panel, you're looking for screws. Usually it is on this area where here you got a cap here, or this area where you got this. Then this one should have the screws here. I know this one, it doesn't have it here. It got a screw right here and another screw right here. So it is just two screws. I got the T27, or I think it can work T30. Let's get see T27. Right there. T27. I'm going to use my power. All right. Okay. So I'm going to put it inside the door. So I keep all my screws here. So I'm going to pick the other one. You gotta search for the angle, right? This angle, like that. And if you're using what is this? The drill, impact drill. The impact drill, you need to make sure you got it on the right way. Okay, now I got this off. The door should be ready to pop out. So I'm going to search for the weakest place. Everything is tight. So I'm going to use my squeegee, and I'm going to usually I put it on the front. So I'm going to squeegee it on the front and get it and feel it. So I'm going to go to the corner. I'm going to pray like this. I hear one click. Okay, I'm going to get my hands in there, and I do with my fingers. So I grab this piece, and these two fingers I'm going to push on the frame. So I grab it here, put the fingers there, and do this. So this one, you got a lot of power. Now all this is almost done. Gotta do this, and I keep doing the same thing. I'm going to put my fingers like here and thumbs down. You see? Thumbs like this. All right. Okay, now one last clip. I don't know what is going on here. Oh, yeah, I don't know what is going on here. Oh, it got a kind of a special clip. All right, so this clip, you gotta push this one. This square has a special clip that doesn't go really out. So what you gotta do is push this one, slide it towards the outside of the door. That will allow you to squish this piece. So you squish this, and this one move away from the metal, and you are able to take it off. Now we got a, it's kind of simple. You got the cables, 3 cables here. uh, Really easy to take it off. These ones, you got this tiny clip, so squeeze it, wiggle it, and it's off. One, wiggle up, wiggle it, two, and three. Okay, now we got this the door handle. So you got this cable, so I'm going to pull, and I'm going to get it off of the rail. Now this one, it is a little tricky. It's not so usual, but I got the o-ring, and the point, it is this white piece. You have to spread it out, right? So it is 1, 2, and 3 on the other side. So I think it is enough if you spread one, and then you spray, or go to the other side and get it off. All right. This one doesn't matter. It's three tips. It can be installed anyway. So the way you would want to do is, when you install it back, just grab this piece, just flip it, pointing down, and just push until it snap in. All right, that's it. This one, it is the door panel. I'm going to put it on the side. You never put it face down, never. So you put it face up, or rest it on the side. That's it. um, got this off. Okay, now we need to take it off this cap, right? So I'm going to dig here to see if I got access to the cap. Man, it's going to be not easy, right? Probably I need to lower the window, but okay, let's go and change the plan. I'm going to remove the mirror. So we are going to remove the mirror. This is 2020 Mercedes CLA 250, right? So we got the mirror, and the mirror base, it is if you take a look on the other side, it is on this position. So you look the same position on the other side. So I'm going to transfer here. We'll see these two pieces is going to be covering the access for the screws. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to get my o-ring remover. So I'm going to clip into here, put it off. I'm going to clip in here, pull it out. So I'm going to keep these ones on the side, and this one, I think it is T25. So I'm going to change for my T25. Now it come close and take a look on the screws. So you have 2 holes. This is 1 hole, another hole, and this other hole. So you got 1, 2, and 3 screws. All right. This mirror is T25. So I'm going to get this one, T25, and I'm going to put it in. And to get the right angle, you follow. I mean, you see that cut, so you center it. Now it is ready. So let me put this tool here. So now here is when I need my magnet. So let me get a magnet, because this screw is going to fail inside. So I gotta catch it up. So I got to get my magnet somewhere. So I'm going to put it there, and I got it. Oh. All right, I got it, my magnet, and I got my screw. All right, really important. Be prepared to get the screw out. So I'm going to find out the screw. I can't really see it. Well, I don't see it, but I feel it. Okay, right there. Uh-oh. Yeah, I didn't got it right. So let me see, where is it?
Here, use the camera.
Oh shoot! I got the windshield is on my way. Not the windshield, but the window. So I gotta. This one is. I am able to take this off. So I'm going to take this off. You got to lower the window. All right, right there. All right, I got two off, and you, in order to get the top one, you got to get the window down. All right, I got two of them. Now the cables. Let's go with the cables. So you got these. All these cables goes to the mirror. So you got antenna and camera, and the power, and probably the blind spot. So same thing. Get on, open these clips. Get the put it out. Get these clips out. So I got one. The antenna, you don't have to do anything here but here. So this is the camera, and this is the antenna. So you got both of them. This one you just can wiggle it and push it in. When you install it back, just wiggle it out, then install it this way. So it's super simple, right? Just wiggle it a little. Now, something really important here is that these cables has to go around this rail. So this is a window, the glass window rail. So you gotta go around it. So you gotta go around it so the window doesn't catch the cables. Now I have to bring the door panel in. I gotta plug my window. I mean the door. Yeah, well, I don't know where this will. It has a specific place. All right, I think it is this one. I'm not sure. Yeah, this one looks like here, and this black, maybe this one. The blue, maybe on the top. All right, here. Now I'm going to get my window down. I'm going to push the button here. One, two. There's no key around, so I got my key on the pocket. All right, let me get the key. Going to put it somewhere close. Uh-oh. All right, got the keys now. And I want to lower the window. So there is. I'm going to kill the switch again. All right. So I'm going to unplug my cables. One, two, and three cables, right? So I'm going to put this door panel right there. Now I got access to the other screw. So I got this one, and get the right angle, okay? Don't get too high. Just get the right angle. Make sure you got the, oh, all right, the mirror. Fine. Let me get the magnet before I take it off my tool off. Got to get the magnet, and probably the best way to do this is from above here. Oh man, that is kind of tight here. Well, we didn't have a trim on the other side, so I'm going to hold this one. I got my third screw. All right, now I got all the screws from the mirror. I'm going to feed these cables here. Now we're going to start wiggling this mirror. And this mirror, if this mirror, is resting on something, so you got a clip. I'm going to show you. So this mirror, when you take it off the screws, is going to rest like this. See? You see, it's going to rest. Now you are going to grab the mirror, flip it down, and get it out. You see, flip it down, now it's out. So you see this, it is a metal clip, so it's a hanging, it's a hanger. So now wiggle it, get the cables out, and that's it. This is for the mirror.